everybody. Just wanted to shoot a quick video, a little tip. If you're like me, you got some of this older 18-volt tools laying around. They're still perfectly good tools, but the batteries go dead. This original battery, it doesn't hold a charge 2 minutes now. Go on Amazon, try to save money, get one of these things. It holds a charge maybe 5 minutes. Wasn't worth the money for me. Let me know down below in the comments if you had any better luck. Maybe leave a link. I might try it out, but this is a better option, I think, to replace this thing. They do make a 20 volt to 18 volt adapter. So this thing, see, it fits into the 18 volt drill tools, and then the bottom of it, it's the adapter for the 20 volt battery. Now when ordering this, be sure to check the tools that you have, because I did notice there are a couple drills that it's not good for. The one downfall that I see, I have a lot of trouble getting it back out of the tool. But I'm thinking it works so well that I might get a couple of the adapters and just leave them in the tools. See, here's the Sawzall. Circular saw. Good to go. So if you already have a 20 volt kit, you can just get the adapter, use your batteries. This is the kit that I got. It came with the adapter, two batteries, and a charger for the 20 volt max batteries. They sell just the adapter. They sell the adapter with the batteries. They sell the adapter, batteries, and charger like I got. I will put a link down below to make it easier for you. If you are in the same boat that I was and want to get this, it's great. Like I said, if you know of a cheaper 18 volt battery, generic like this, that actually works and holds a charge, go ahead and pop a link in the comments. We'll take a look at it. But these that I got, they're junk. That's it. Hope this helped somebody. Keep utilizing your tools, because they're perfectly good tools.